If you're anything like me, then on your current camping trip, you are making a list of all the things that you need or wish you had for your next camping trip. And even after 8 years, I still find myself doing this. So we just got back from our summer trip and I headed to Dollar Tree. Come along with me and I am going to show you all of the great, unique finds that I was able to scout out this trip. Hi, I'm Lisa, the Golden Glamper. Welcome back. So today I'm sharing one of my favorite things, which is a shopping spree to Dollar Tree. We found so many great things on this last trip that I didn't realize I needed until our trip this summer. So these are things that you probably haven't thought about, but you think about the problems, I can assure you, while you're out on the road. So let's go ahead and get started with number one. One of the problems that I have in this coach is that I don't have any kind of fold down tray on the passenger side to hold my laptop so that when we're going down the road, I can actually work at the same time. I found this great little tray, again, $5. What I like about this one in particular is this lap tray is very lightweight, easy to store. It's sturdy, but it has enough room while you're driving for your legs. I can even cross my legs here and be really comfortable. I also like that it fits on the seat. Now we have fairly wide seats in this coach. You would have to test it on yours. It also has a lot of room to keep all of my accessories and a laptop while I'm working. So I think this will work out perfectly for our trip that is coming up in the fall. One of the things that I feel is a design flaw in many coaches is that the passenger side only has one cup holder, sometimes even the driver's side. So today I think I may have found a solution to that. We also found this little dual cup holder expander. So you're going to see with me whether this is worth the money. I believe this was $6. Okay, so here's the problem with this one. As you can see, this is just too small to fit in the size cup holder that is in our coach. So this one is going to have to go back. If you've been following me, then you know what I use as an alternative is the bog bag top. I love this as a travel alternative for more space for my cups. However, as you know, this is not a Dollar Tree find, but rather from Amazon. I will link this product information in the comments below. Cases like this one are always great for different purposes. We bought this one so that my husband could put his tire minder equipment in it. It's a nice case with a little bit of a clip here so things won't fall out. It's a good size for that. And then we bought this one because I thought it'd be great for batteries and easily stored, nice and shallow. You always need batteries in your coach, so keep a couple AAAs, AA's, and some of those CR batteries that you need for all the little things in the coach. I bought this for over the bed storage, but as it turns out, this one's just a little too tall for that. So if I can find one of these stackable containers that is not as high, I'm going to try to get a couple of them, 3 of them for over the bed. If you find them, let me know. This one just happens to be a little too large, but perfect for that kind of area if you have the space above your bed. One of the things that we always need on trips are these chip clips. Dollar Tree is a great place to get them, $1.25 for these power clips. They're magnetic. You can hang things off of your fridge with them, but they are also just great for storing bags of food or clipping things that are left over together. I love this little snack stacker. This is perfect for things like pickles, olives, limes, and lemons. This would be great for. So I probably need to go back and get another one of this because these are actually the perfect size. This one has 4 little containers, and I'm going to keep sliced limes, lemons, olives, and pickle slices in here so that these are easy grabs. The container locks together, and then each of these 4 little trays come out. So you can use them separately. You can certainly use it as a larger tray as well. Another thing that we always need are little serving spoons. I found these little tongs. These are perfect for when you are camping and camping with your friends and you need to serve things. These are just the right size. They're teeny tiny. There's 4 of them in here. Again, $1.25. Are they gonna last forever? No, but they are perfect for the camper and having them along for the ride. I am always looking for things to decorate because our next big trip is going to be in the fall. I bought this cute little wire pumpkin. You can decorate this with all kinds of ribbons, make it look like a full wreath. I kind of like it even just the way it is. And we found these cute little bows to put on here, and this is going to go over my fireplace this fall as part of the decor. Super lightweight, which is what you want in the RV, and super cheap and easy to do. One thing that you might not have considered before is that Dollar Tree carries tools. So you can find something like this little ratchet screwdriver set that has a variety of tips for only $3, and this hex key set that has 3 different varieties. This one's a little bit more expensive, $6, but these are pretty good quality tools for a discount price that you're not gonna find anywhere else. There's a lot of these great little hidden finds, like thermal bags, great for bringing things in and out of the RV when you are packing up for a trip. And don't forget those snacks. There are several aisles dedicated to them at the Dollar Tree. And another great find, of course, is batteries. Get them there, they're cheaper. And right now all the school supplies are out. So don't ignore these aisles. There are a lot of great little containers and folders that you can use in the RV. One thing that I like to get are the zippered pencil cases. They are great for storing things like pet records or your records for the RV itself, like your registration and insurance cards. Believe it or not, even Dollar Tree has sales. So right now pool noodles are on sale. They have the Halloween colors out, which is great because if you like the noodles to put around your slides for safety, the black ones and white ones are available now. And if you found any treasures for your RV at the Dollar Tree recently, please be sure to share them in the comments below. We would love to have you along for all of our adventures, so please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, stay golden, stay glam, and we'll see you on the road.